everyone, I am Vera Sulia Dilima, taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. I live in Barangay Poblacion, Leyte, Leyte, and hoping to see you. Engineering student, and I live in Hagna, Bohol.
Hello, my name is Jomarie C. Pomon from St. Bernard, province of Southern Leyte. I am currently taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering at the Visayas State University, Baybay City, Leyte. At naniniwala sa kasabihan, kung hindi pa pala rin, magpalat ako'y.
Hello, Team Generosity. I am QCT's Bloodline of Isabel Leyte. I am a freshman student in Visayas State University, taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. I guess it is safe to say that I am a pro.
Uy, may adlaw kaniyang tanan. Ako dai si Santa Morania, Fortaleza, Lamo, Flores, Carael de la Fuente, lintunganay nga lumulupyo sa Barangay San Roque, Sitio Cantiga, Purok Mangkal, Hilongos, Leyte. Ug ako nagakuha sa kursong Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering. Ug nagatuo og nagmalaumon nga sa panahon karon, ilabi na kanamo mga kabatan-unan, kalantip sa salabutan ang among gikinahanglan aron ang gihandom namong kaugmaon, siguradong dali namong maangkon ug aron among mapamatud-an nga kaming mga kabatan-unan karon mamahimong paglaom sa maayong kaugmaon sa maabot nga mga panahon.
Good day everyone, my name is Jerry Lee Quintana Hinata, taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. I'm 18 years old from Salawad, Kapuggayan, Biliran. In case you didn't know where is Biliran, I have a map of Biliran province here, and the blue dot in the map, that is where I live. And lastly, I am a Seventh-day Adventist. So that's all about myself. Bye!
Hi everyone, I am Franz Ayantadora, 18 years old from Porok Dos of Barangay Concepcion, Hilongos, Leyte. And I am taking Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. So kita-kita tani pohon untag mupasar tang tanan. God bless.
Hey guys, my name is Alika Cruz. I go by the nickname Likes or simply Alika. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Sherwood, Alberta, Leyte, and I graduated at Ormoc City Senior High School. I think that would be all. Thank you. See you soon.
Hi, I am Danica May Anglo, 19 years of age. I am from Damalan, Alberta, Leyte, taking up Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering. I could say that I am a responsible student. Moreover, being a sociable person, I have many friends since I like to communicate and get to know new individual friends.
Hello everyone, my name is Louis Livado, Louis for short, and I am 19 years old and I live from the town of Merida, Leyte, and I am a proud civil engineering freshman student at the Visayas State University.
Hi everyone, I'm Rodel Permeo Jr. I'm 18 years old and I live at Barangay Serrano, Dulag, Leyte. I'm taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. I'm a fan of Taylor Swift and I highly recommend you to stream Evermore.
Hi, I'm Alzer Vitualia, BS in Civil Engineering from Baybay City, Leyte.
Hi everyone, I am JMA Patanog, 20 years of age and currently living in Barangay Tambolilid, Ormoc City. I am studying in Visayas State University, Baybay, under the program of Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. I hope that we meet soon, healthy and safely. Nice to see you all. Goodbye.
Maayong adlaw kanatong tanan. My name is Gerald Gisihan Silian, all the way from Poblacion Centro, Clarin, Bohol. 19 years of age, taking up Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering. I am fond of editing pictures and I'd like to get surrounded with people who have a higher or greater sense of humor because they bring me a positive outlook. This is me leaving you a message that life is short but my height is shorter.
Hello everyone, I am Angela Yanabiakul, 18 years old and I live in Barangay Linao of Ormoc City. I am currently taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. I hope to meet everyone soon in Team Generosity and I think that would be all. Stay safe and God bless everyone.
Hi, my name is Blessed Jane B. Bilaro from the Municipality of Isabel Leyte. I'm currently enrolled in the Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering program.
Hello everyone, I am Annalyn Wyvermug from the province of Biliran. I am a BS AB student and always believe in the saying everything is a choice. Stay safe and God bless everyone.
So good day everyone, my name is Kiana Mejia and I am 18 years old. I am from Hilongos Leyte and I am taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. And I hope when this pandemic ends, I get to meet all of you guys and I also hope that we all get along with each other. That's all. Happy holidays to all of us. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Awin Edsi Castulo from the Civil Engineering Department. I came from Barangay Mainit Pintuyan, Southern Leyte, 19 years of age. I can describe myself as a simple and a shy type individual. So in terms of hobbies, my favorite hobby is playing basketball. So I think that will be all about myself. Thank you and in advance, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to us.
Hey guys, I'm Aaron Canyega, a BSc student and I'm from Leyte.
Hi, I'm Cleofa Rose Manuel C. Arisgado, 18 years old from Ormoc City, Leyte. I am taking up this course, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. As a freshman college student, I know that taking this not so little step in my life, in our lives, can create a huge difference to the future that awaits us aspiring civil engineers. So let's continue believing in ourselves. Padayon, God bless, and keep safe.
Hi guys, I am Renato D. Sasmenia Jr. from Ormoc City, Barangay Dolores, and I am 19 years old. I am now currently taking a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering and I am more into watching series and movies and also I love writing poems and I am into sports such as volleyball and baseball.
Hi, I am Queenie G. Cabantog, 18 years of age from Barangay Gabas, Baybay City, Leyte and took up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. A little info about myself is that I sketch just a little bit and I will just show some of my sketches. That's all. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, my name is Devanadong T. De Gahoy. I am 18 years old from Limasawa Island, Southern Leyte. I am currently a first-year civil engineering student at the Visayas State University. Basically, there's not much interesting stuff about myself, so I'm just gonna share a few facts about me. So, I am into music. In fact, I can sing, I can dance, and I can also play guitar. So, I guess that's it. Thank you so much and nice to meet you all. Bye!
Hi, I am Calvin Del Arlagado. I am 19 years old. I am from Haro Leyte and currently I am taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
Hey guys, so I am Vanessa G. Muñez, 19 years old, a first-year student of Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering here in VSU and I live in Barangay Guadalupe, Baybay City, Leyte. So that's all. Bye.
Hello everyone. My name is Christian James D. Kaube, CJ for short, or you can call me anything you want. It doesn't matter actually. I am now 19 years old, living in Sitio Caloquinia, Barangay Hantag, Masin City, Southern Leyte. My degree program is Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. That's all guys, thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Ivan P. Carag, 19, from Hilongos, Leyte. taking up Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering. And I believe that we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us.
Hi everyone, I am Christine Joy Antigua Medilia. You can call me Joy or Christine Joy or anything you want. I live in Barangay Rizal, here later. I am a first year civil engineering student, and that's all. Thank you. Nice to meet you all, and hopefully soon makita na tayo face to face. Bye!
I am May Anyokot Boyboy, 19 years of age. I live in Tipolo, Obay, Bohol, and I am a Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering student. I am a noisy, short, cute woman that loves butterfly.
Hi everyone, I am Christian Gonzaga, 19, a first-year civil engineering student of Visayas State University. I live in Barangay Valencia, Ormoc City, at nag-iiwan ng katagang di mag-ool makapasar.
So hi everyone, I'm Mary Joy Arietable. You can call me Joy and I'm 18 years old. Taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering at Visayas State University. I'm currently residing at Barangay Biasang, Baybay City, Leyte. I'm looking forward on how this subject will help me enhance my social skills. And I guess that would be all. Stay safe everyone and God bless.
Hello, I am Rachel May A. Cadorna, a freshman at Visayas State University, currently taking Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering. I'm from Barangay Kuta, Barugo, Leyte, and I just turned 18 this month. My hobbies are listening to music and reading. That's all, thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Shinrin Laude, a BSU student from Visayas State University, 18 years of age, and is currently residing in Barangay Luna, Ormoc City, Leyte. A proud graduate from Ormoc City Senior High School.
Hi, I am Kyriel Maria Victoria Macariola Bantacolo. I am a first-year BSCS student. I am 18 years old and I am from Barangay Bunga, Baybay City, Leyte.
Hi, I am Laujoy Sagre Academia, and you can call me Lau. I am 18 years old and I am from San Antonio, Duaro, Bohol. I am taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. That's all, thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Karanjarin Gilia Salong. My friends call me Ren. I was born and raised in Paranaque City, Metro Manila, but now I am currently living in the Barangay Tinago, Municipality of Inupacan, Province of Leyte. And I am 18 years of age, taking a degree of Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. And I am into reading books, playing online games, watching Korean dramas, painting and dancing. That would be all, thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Princess Eve Castro, born and raised in Ormoc City, 18 years of age. So every day, I am taking my time in discovering more of myself, to be always cheerful and to live a peaceful life. And that is it. Goodbye. See you soon. Bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Kate Palanta Malangis. Yes, my name is Kate, but you can call me Kai, Kate, Kay, or whatever. I'm 18 and I live in Barangay Tinago, Inupacan, Leyte. I took up STEM when I was senior high in San Lorenzo's Culture Promote, and then now I am a first-year civil engineering student of Visayas State University. So to end this introductory video of mine, I just want to remind you all that padayon lang ta. Have a
Good day everyone. My name is Eman Patrick Durante. I'm 18 years old and I live in Barangay San Guillermo, Matagub, Leyte. My hobbies are playing badminton, watching K-dramas, and Thailand.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikki Torrijano, a BSAB student, and I'm from Clarine, Bohol. And my motto in life is strive for progress, not for perfection. Thank you.